Hi everyone, welcome back to Quantum Tech Lab. In today's easy tutorial, I'll walk you through how to enable or disable dark mode on your Android phone. Whether you prefer a sleek dark interface or the classic light look, switching between them only takes a few taps. Open the Settings app. This is the main control center where you can adjust and personalize your device's features. Now scroll down, see the display option and tap on it. Here you'll see several options related to screen brightness, themes, and visual appearance and more. At the top of the display menu bar, see the dark mode option. Tap on it to enable dark mode. Your phone's interface will instantly switch to a darker theme, which can be easier on the eyes and may help save battery life on certain devices. If you decide you prefer the standard look, simply return to the same display section. Tap on the light mode option and your phone will automatically switch back, turning off dark mode right away. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. Be sure to like, share and subscribe to Quantum Tech Lab for more simple and helpful tech guides. See you in the next video.